So our classroom is unique because we have two different sixth grade math teachers who have combined our rosters into one large space. And we've divided our students into 4 different houses, and they move throughout different stations of the classroom through the week based on their house. So maybe they're doing a video station where they're working independently, watching a video and then finishing up maybe some online textbook work. Maybe they're working with me and we're working with manipulatives, or they're working with Mrs. Hoffman on a more teacher-directed lesson, or with Mr. Forsyth, more of an inquiry-based lesson.
Coming up to 24.
The stations I really enjoy because we get to do different activities, which some can be fun and some can be challenging, which makes it more fun.
Typically, teachers come up with a lesson, they talk in front of the class. Here we can really come up with individual activities for a smaller group of students. The rigor has increased and it's more enjoyable for them because they can take more of an active role in their learning.
I like this because it is more put together almost. It is really focused on helping you if you don't know how to do it.
We see a lot of engagement in math. Usually by 6th grade, students are starting to feel like math is not their favorite subject or they are dreading coming. But with this kind of setup, we see them running down the hallway. They want to come to math because they know that they're going to have fun and that it's going to be different every day. So we are really encouraged by the growth that we're seeing in our ESOL SOL scores. From one year to the next, we've had over a 15% increase. So we're excited about what this year will bring and all the growth that we have to show.